back. This video is long overdue. I have not been consistent posting or vlogging recently. I've just been super busy, but I'm back and I'm just going to take you along for my week. I don't know what I've got planned yet, what I'm going to get up to, but just a nice cozy vlog. It's actually not hot today. This is the first day in weeks that it's not been boiling, and it's a little bit cloudy. It's like 22 degrees, so I'm so happy. Just about to head over to my mum's house to pick up a birthday present that my sister got me, and this is like a month late, but I'm so excited. She got me a new handbag and I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys and probably put all my everyday essentials in it. So I'm kind of like dressed very simply, but trying to give classy because the bag is very classy and I want to match the vibe. I actually went out yesterday and I picked up these new jeans. That is a bowl that I had full of popcorn, by the way. It's not like a sick bowl or anything. It looks kind of gross. So yeah, these new dark wash jeans I think will be perfect for autumn. And then my tank hair top. I think I'm honestly going to do maybe a tank hair order today, because since I did the little haul a few vlogs back of 3 tanks that I got from Tank Hair, I have been wearing them non-stop. I think I should have sized up. I got them in a size small, which fits pretty perfectly, but I just don't really like too much stomach on show, and this does kind of rise as the day goes on. I think also having bigger chest, it just kind of makes the top come up. So I think I should have got a medium so that I could comfortably wear it without it inching up throughout the day, but I have been wearing it non-stop. So this is my little fit of the day, very simple. I'm also delving into no parting ponytails as of late, and I actually really like it. I feel like from the front, yes, it is giving boiled egg, but from the side, is it giving like Barbie silhouette? Is it? I don't know. So I'm gonna head over to my mum's because that's where the present is. I can't tell you how excited I am. It's a big gift. Really have been spoiled, but yeah, I'm so excited. Should I wear boots with this outfit, like boots under the jeans? Maybe I'll do that later and I'll just wear flip-flops for now. Or actually, I have clearly been doing a lot of shopping, but I got these from Massimo Dutti. Is it Massimo Dutti or Massimo Duty? These are all granny flats, but I really love them. These are the little hooves I'm wearing. They're a bit like, they remind me of tabbies, but we're obviously without the toe thing. So I feel like they're a little bit more timeless, hopefully. I'm gonna head over to my mum's now and then I'll vlog when I'm back here. Let me see. Action! Action. Oh, I get nervous. Hi guys, so as you can tell, I'm not at home. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't, but I actually have my little sister behind the camera. The assistant. Hi, hello. And she wanted me to unbox it with her, so that is why I'm not waiting till I'm home with my camera and I'm vlogging on my phone. This is the bag. By the way, it's not from this sister that bought me this present.
Oh no, I don't have the funds for that.
Yeah. How cute. Wait, maybe this can be the thumbnail. Okay, maybe not. Oh, so much packaging. Comes in a little canvas bag. This could also be the thumbnail. Don't get my toes in it. I'm so excited. So this is the Bayswater bag, which is like the classic bag, and it was really popular in like the 2000s when I was growing up. Sex and the City vibes. Here we have.
Take off the packaging.
All her glory. Okay. That's just not my problem. Not my problem. I depackaged her.
Oh, my nail just got in that. Say that again. Say it again.
She opens like so. I didn't even know if I said that it was a mulberry bag, but I think that's evident now. Lots of space in here.
Work bag.
Work, life, even airport, you know? I don't know if I want to bring it to an airport. It's kind of too bouge. Like, I don't want to make it dirty. But
Don't put it in the bloody scanners.
I don't know though. It'd be kind of chic.
Yeah, chic and dough. You have to put it on one of those dusty, crusty trays.
Yeah,
People put their shoes on.
Let's have a little.
Oh.
No pat, no pat.
Do you like the tuck behind the ear of your hair?
Nothing to tuck. How's this look?
Really good. You look chic.
I was saying earlier, is it giving Barbie ponytail?
No.
Okay.
You don't have enough hair for that.
Fair enough. Should I put some music in the background?
Oh, what about the trolley's the best. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm back home. Got my new bag. Oh, and I'm just gonna make a coffee. Lola wants me to come to the studio with her for a little bit. Oh, that's an inappropriate angle. I'm going to quickly make a coffee and then, oh, everything's a mess. God damn. Go to the studio, and we wrote a song together recently that she's recorded and wants to finish up, so, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I haven't done that in a while with her, so I have to go straight from there to work. Guys, it's almost the end of my contract, and then I'm gonna be #unemployed till further notice. And whatever happens, happens afterwards, we shall see. Got my vitamin drink, my coffee. Just gonna have a splash of milk. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna drink my coffee and then pack up my bag and head out. This is such a chaotic morning. Well, it's really not that chaotic, but hey.
What's on the cards, YouTube? Oh my god, let's try this.
Okay, everyone, I'm now at work. Probably see you guys tomorrow. But one show to do, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow, probably. Good morning, everybody. I had a lovely morning so far. I saw my friend. We went for coffee, had a bit of banana bread, and then she came over and we just chilled and literally just had a catch up. And now I'm gonna take some Vinted pictures. I have like random clothes that I'm trying to sell. I uploaded a bunch of pics the other day to Vinted of me wearing them, and they sold so quickly because I feel like I'm the same. Like, I want to see things on. I don't just want to see it on the floor because I want to see how it fits. I'm kind of trying to like build a bit of a capsule wardrobe and stop buying so many things that I can only wear a few times and then I get sick of them. So let's try and get rid of some clothes. Did not wear these skirts enough for how much space they took up, and also white is just not my colour, so. I do think things sell so much better when you actually take a picture of it on. These things I sold yesterday. Yeah. So I've uploaded all of that and already getting a few views on some of them, so that's good. This is how my closet is looking at the moment. It looks so much clearer now that I got rid of quite a few things, and I already sold 2 things on Vinted. It's only been like 20 minutes, so it looks so much better now. But still, I think there could be more things cleared out, especially in my, let me show you my gym wear drawer. This is ridiculous. What the hell? Like, I can't even close it. Yeah, that's for another day. I don't know if it's the low high contrast thing that everyone talks about, but I just don't think recently I felt good with makeup on, and every time I do it I just feel like it makes me look worse. So I've been leaning into more of like a natural makeup look. I say that, I've just slapped on way too much blush, but anyways, like not really doing too much drama on the face. And I feel like I've been preferring it, like even the last week I don't even think I've worn mascara. So interesting. And I've also had like no events to really dress up for, so that's probably why as well. Sometimes you just need something to look forward to give you a bit of your spark back. That's okay. I should really look forward to just everyday life. It's just difficult to stay that positive. I have booked a holiday for October, which I'm excited for. That's given me a little bit of pep in my step, I think. I do prefer brown mascara on the bottom lashes. Give it a try if you haven't. It's a bit of a softer look. For me, lips are definitely the most important part of makeup. Always a brown lip liner. I have so many favourites. What's this one? NYX in brown. Exciting. And now that we're getting into autumn, matte lips are back. I'm a sucker for a matte lip. I feel like it's not really been trendy in a while, but I still love it. A brown lipstick always does it for me. Much nicer than nude. I'm actually gonna make my blush a little bit darker as well because I feel like this is a bit too peachy for the lip colour. A little bit more of a reddy brown blush, and then, do you know what? I think I need more bronzer. I've said it. I love how I said I'm going for a no makeup look, and this is just not a no makeup, but oh yeah. A nice bit of setting spray. 10 minutes of makeup and I feel like a different person. That has done the trick. One thing about makeup is you need to find the colours that suit you, because I used to always wear really pink, cool tones, and once I started just accepting that I'm neutral, leaning warm, and a pink lip doesn't look good on me, it really changed the game. I need to eat lunch. Oh my god, like I haven't eaten anything. Actually, that's not true. I had banana bread. I'm actually not that hungry, so I'm gonna snack on some straws and maybe edit this video because I do need to get on top of that if I want to post this soon. Hey, I just made a cute little TikTok, a little what's in my bag. I haven't posted on TikTok in ages. I've just been off my TikTok grind. But I wanted to show you what my friend got me for my birthday. She got me these little envelopes and customized letters. Look. Sending love from me. So I can write letters to people, because I was telling her how I want to start writing letters. So how cute is this? I think my next video is going to be writing everyone I love a letter. I think that would be so cute. Or like making little DIY gifts for everyone in my life. Please comment down below some gift ideas, like what things I can make, because I just think that's a really nice concept of a video. I haven't seen anyone do that, but I think that would be such a cute little vlog, and I might start it tomorrow. But I think I'm going to wrap up this vlog here. I know it's only a couple days in my life, but I just want to get this out and give you guys something to watch, because I know I've been really slack. But yeah, I think that might be my next video. Let me know what you guys want to see, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.